In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom buttons in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through creating a custom button in the Contacts module as an example, defining what it does, choosing where it appears, and deciding who can use it, all while keeping things simple and clear. Start from your Zoho CRM homepage. Open the setup area by clicking the gear icon, then head into customization and select modules and fields. From the list of modules, choose Contacts for this demo. Inside the Contacts settings, look for the Buttons section and open it. Now click Create New Button to begin. Give your button a clear, memorable name. I'll type Demo for this example. A tip here: use a naming convention your team will recognize, like starting with the module or the action. You can also add a description. For clarity, I'll write, "This is Demo Button," so anyone on the team understands the purpose at a glance. Descriptions are especially helpful when you end up with multiple custom buttons. Next, define what the button should do. Choose Function to have the button run logic when clicked. Functions can be custom-built or selected from ready-made options, and they're great for automating updates, triggering notifications, or moving data between modules. Decide where the button will appear. In the Select Page section, pick In Record so it shows up on individual contact records. Then choose the position as Details, which places the button in a familiar place on the record view. This helps users find and use it without hunting around. Click Configured Function, and then open the gallery to browse available options. Pick the one that fits your use case and click Configure. When you're done, click Save. If the function needs input, you'll be prompted. For instance, you may need to enter an account ID. Type the correct account ID for your organization or record context, then save again. Double-check that you have the right value and access to the related data. Now set visibility. In the Select Profile section, choose who can use the button. I'll pick Administrator for this demonstration. This permission ensures only the right roles see and run the function. Click Save to finalize. If you need to make adjustments later, use the Settings option next to the button to revisit its configuration. Update the description, refine inputs, or adjust visibility. That's it. Your custom button is set up, placed on the record, powered by a function, and properly assigned to the right profiles. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.